Hi squad, Andrew to Impress, and what we're doing today is cleaning a viewer's gaming PC. There's a lot of dust buildup. They've had it for about 4 years, so I definitely recommended to get some thermal paste reapplied after we clean it off. You generally want to do this about 3 to 4 years, so if you need that help, just call us. We'll help you out with that, or at least guide you. All right, let's get to it. All right, squad, that's what we got is the final product. What we have is a clean computer. After you've got a little cable management, some dust blown out of it, some new thermal paste, you have a brand new healthy computer. A lot of dust is common. Just if you haven't done this before, call us. We will help you out with that. If you do know what you're doing, just do this, once, twice a year, just to keep clean and ahead of the mess. You don't want to worry about it 5 years later. Let's knock it out right now. Like I said, 281-647-9977.